Looks like they left this overnight on our property and these ones just arrived. Our superior walls are finally here. It's just checking out the property. I'm gonna park to the side and let them do their work. So the two of the trailers are here with the superior walls, but because of the rain from the last day and a half maybe, they're worried that the ground is too soft because the crane is 80,000 pounds. So they're currently backing in. Yeah, right there, you can tell I'm backing in. So really hoping that they're not gonna delay this even more. Even though Andre's out of town, I would prefer to get this done today because we have been waiting for close to 2 months, if not 2 months. So I'm ready to get this started. Like, this hole in the ground has been here for a while. Things are moving. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Andre's watching from the camera, so he gets a bird's eye view right there. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So there's someone sitting in there and they're about to pick up the first wall. Let's go over here.
Yeah, we're still prepping.
Uh-huh.
The boys won't get my hard outs on yet.
Okay.
When we start swinging walls.
The other wall's just pulled up. Ah, someone else is here. I think that's Leo, my brother-in-law. Sister just came. My brother. Family's here. Hey, why don't you roll up the window? Look, guys, I'm still gonna find you. Where are you? So they're almost done setting up. They said about 30 more minutes. So that's what it looks like. And the third one. They're starting. All right, the first wall is just going up. I know. They said just stay out of the reach of the arm. So we got 3 trucks in with the walls. They're working on my little root cellar. That's where I'm gonna keep my glass jars, my produce, our canned. That's how everything's coming together. This is gonna be under the porch. It's gonna be always cool down there. Patio door, boys' bedroom. They're almost done. Ah, so exciting. Okay, it looks bigger now than when they first started. This is the 2 boys' bedrooms. That's Emma's room. That's the slide out patio door. It's gonna lead out on the back porch. All right, they're doing the last wall. Ooh, cool. It's around 2:30 in the afternoon. They were here 8 a.m. Took a couple hours to prep work the ground. So they've been working on it since about 10:30ish. It's 2:30 right now and they're putting in the last piece. Not too bad. And that is my root cellar front porch. So that's the front porch, and under the porch is going to be my root cellar. There's a little door over there. There's a door right there to get into it from the basement. Cleaning up as they go. Beautiful. So exciting. These little ledges are for the brick. So all this is going to be underground, and the brick and rock will start right here. So all this is going to be underground. You'll only be able to see this.
Hey guys, so we got these superior walls fully installed, and they actually started doing some framing, but I will tell you why I got these walls, why I chose these walls over three different systems that you can make. First of all, I didn't want to go blocks because it's 10-foot tall walls. A lot of seams that you will miss sealing some of the seams. It's not solid wall. Why I didn't go with pouring walls, like pouring concrete walls, just because it takes a long time, especially when it rains. They can't make it here all the time, so it takes a long time. With the superior walls, what I like about superior walls, you get them ordered, they come in here and install them in about 6 hours, the full basement, all the perimeters. That's number one. Number two, I like the insulation on them. Number three, I was kind of skeptical at first at how these walls, they just sit on the gravel footings. But for a drainage system, it's actually really good because your water got a place to escape. It goes into the gravel, then it goes into the drainage pipes and goes out to the backyard. That's another thing what I like about those. What else? Just overall, I think it's the best system to use for the basement. And let me show you some seams how they make. So this is how it's connected in the corners. They got this, they do I think like a 1/2 inch to a 3/4 space, and they put this rubber silicone all the way through. I don't know if you can see it, but there's bolts on the bottom that screws this together, and there's bolts up top. You can tell it already comes insulated studs. That's another thing what I like about these. You don't have to build your 2x4 walls around this thing. So it's ready to put your sheetrock on. You can put more insulation if you want to. I don't think I will. But let me come outside. Oh shit. So the wall is just sitting on this kind of pea gravel, whatever they call it, 57 stone, or can't remember what's the name of it. But yeah, you have a 1 foot footing, compacted gravel like this, and this wall just sits right on gravel. Ain't nothing else up there that's holding it, and everything just gets bolted together. Heavy duty silicone on the seams. This over here is gonna be for my brick tie downs, because of full house will be brick. I mean, yeah, that's it. Let me go on top of the walls and show you the top view. These walls do come sealed, rain waterproof sealed, but I still went ahead and sprayed more sealant on the front. Well, everywhere where it's gonna be under the ground. I did my garage with the block footing. It goes all the way to the foundation on this side, and then on this side, when they did the footing, when they poured the footing, they did a column all the way down there with concrete, and they just built it up all the way from the bottom of the footing. So the walls do come with pre-drilled holes for your bolts to anchor down your 2x10s. That's how it bolts down together in the corner. This is gonna be our cold cellar. But yeah, just bolted corners with seal or sealant. They got some framing started already, but we'll have that in the next video. This video is gonna be for setting down these concrete walls. Yep. The guy's been working here 2 days. I think they did a good progress. A few more walls left here. They're gonna finish it tomorrow. And then we're gonna start on these big boys. After that is done, we're gonna build the walls. Well, that's it for this video. Follow us, click the subscribe button or like button, subscribe to stay with us on this build, on this excited journey we are making in our lives. Something I never did before, and I'm not sure if I'll ever do it again. So we're building our dream house. Hopefully we'll stay here. Peace.